Hey guys, today I want to show you how to download and set up the Android software development kit, and after that I will show you how to download, build and modify the OI apps. The first step is downloading the Android software development kit. I have the latest Ubuntu called Unpack, so I must download the software development kit for Linux. Simply click here and download it. You will also need Eclipse, and I will put all links in the description, and I will also describe all steps from that tutorial in the description, so you can follow also the guide over the description. Here you can download Eclipse. For Android it's recommended to download Eclipse Classic, which is that here, and I have a 64-bit system, so I download it for that system. So here you can choose a mirror. I will choose that. Simply download it. So after downloading, we will need to install some packages. If you have a 64-bit system, you must install the IA32 libs. You can do this with this command, and I will type sudo apt-get install IA32 libs. I have already this libs, so the package manager can't install them. It was run as root using the sudo command, and it can be that you must enter the sudo password. So after that you will need also Subversion for downloading the latest OI apps, and I will do this also with sudo apt-get install Subversion. So now it's finished. Now you must download Oracle Java, which isn't in the Ubuntu repo. There is also a Java implementation called icedtea, which is installed by default on Ubuntu, and we must remove this Java implementation using sudo apt-get remove icedtea-plugin and say yes. Okay, now you must download Oracle Java development kit, and you can get it from a repo. You can add this repo using sudo add-apt-repository ppa ferramroberto /java. Press enter to continue, and now it's done. Now we must update the package list using sudo apt-get update. And it's also done. And now we can install Oracle Java development kit using sudo apt-get install sun Java 6 JDK, and I will install also the browser plugin, sun Java 6 plugin. Say now continue using Y. and wait a little bit. And now we have all packages. You have already downloaded the Android Software Development Kit and Eclipse, and the downloaded files are archives. So I will unpack them into my home folder. You must see the files on the output of the ls command. My files are here and here, and now you can unpack them. If you don't see the files on the output of the command ls, you must move them into your home folder, because we are actually in your home folder. You can see that here. Now I unpack these files using tar command, and you can simply select them and press the middle mouse button. So it's finished for Eclipse. Now I will unpack the Android Software Development Kit using also the tar command. And it's also finished. So now you can open your file manager, and there are two new folders in your home folder. We want to launch Eclipse, so double click on Eclipse and double click again on Eclipse. It will ask you for a Workspace folder. It's okay, but you should check this option and you will be never asked again for a Workspace folder. So now that is Eclipse, and we must install the Android plugin. So click on Help, install new software, enter the Google repo and click Add and OK, and wait a little bit, it's pending. Then check Developer Tools, select Next. Select Next and accept the license and select Finish. Now it will be installed. Now it will ask you for installing unsynced software. Simply select OK and wait a little bit, and then select Restart Now. So, welcome to Android development. Select Install new SDK and install the latest available version of Android APIs, and you can select Install Android 2.1, but I don't like it, so I will install Android 2.3 later, and I will click now Next. You can select that you want to send usage statistics to Google, but I don't want it, so I select No and I select Finish. Now it will download also other stuff for Android development, and that could also take a while. Select Now, accept all and select Install. So now it's done. Now we're gonna go to Window, Android SDK Manager, and I personally don't like Android ice cream sandwich, so I will download Gingerbread, and I don't need samples or documentations, so I will install these packages. Accept all and select install. So now you can set up the Android virtual device for the emulator. So simply select Window and AVD Manager. Then I created already a emulator, but I will show you how to create a new. Simply click New and select the platform you want to run. I don't like ice cream sandwich, so I want Gingerbread on the emulator, and I will give it another name. EMU. And you must enter a SD card size. I use 256, and you can change the display resolution or set other settings, but it isn't needed. Simply click on Create AVD. After a while it is created. Now you could launch it using Start, but it takes a while, so I won't show it now. So now we want to download the latest OI apps using Subversion. We use this command which downloads the following address to the folder Open Internet. This could take a while. Then you must go back to Eclipse and you must select File, Import, and then you must select existing project into Workspace. This is under the General section. Then you must click on Next, and after that you must choose a root directory for existing Eclipse project. Click on Browse and select the Open Internet folder which was downloaded by Subversion. Then click on OK. After that it finds many projects and some are duplicated, for example here Android support, so you must uncheck them manually. I will import these projects now with the Finish button. This can take a little while, but some are also duplicated, and Android support is not the only app which was duplicated, but it doesn't matter now. Now I can click on Cancel because I have already these apps. Now I want to show you how to build and modify an app. First select an app, then click with the right mouse button on it and then select Android Tools Fix Project Properties. This will fix some errors. After that you can modify and view each source file. I open it, for example, the strings, and if you want to build it, simply click here. This will build this app and run it on the emulator, which starts here. Now the emulator started and we can see the OI file manager in the app driver, or it starts very soon after the start. I will show you, for example, how to edit this text. I will modify it so that it's not multi-select, it's after that change it. So I can minimize the emulator. You don't have to restart the emulator each time you want to build an app. And here are all strings. For example, the menu multi-select string. And I will change the value to change it. And after that I can build the app, and it alerts that the strings XML has been modified, and I want to change save changes. And now it's installed on the emulator and we can see it changed. That was my tutorial, and I'm not a native English speaker, so my language was not so good, but I hope it was understandable.